thought this was going to be easy for me and not cause me too much trouble. But I'm only going to get this one chance.
10 minutes.
Something's wrong, I can feel it.
10 minutes, you're done.
A feeling I've got. Like I'm supposed to derive something, but I don't know what. If this answer wasn't I think it is, we're in trouble.
10 minutes,
Big
you're done.
trouble. And after all the time I put into math, I'm not taking any chances. This is just what I've been. I'm beginning to feel like a math god. Math god. All my calc students from the front to the back nod. Back nod. Now who thinks that minds are smart enough for this one or that one? They said I do math like a robot, so call me MathGod. But for me to do math, a computer must be in my genes. I got a calculator in my back pocket. My position will go off when I graph the function. Got a fat area from that integral. Gotta find the limit or derivative of it. Ever since Newton was still in England, with Laban simultaneously come up with his calc. I'm gonna find the derivative, yeah I'm on it. But I'm finding the min and the max with the proof that I know how to. This first derivative graph solving for y, you go from a positive to a negative and backtrack, tack it on to find the local max, plug it into your graph, check the value of that, doing the math for that. The exact same extrema for the first derivative test came back to you with when the sign changed lane to the AP corrections, how I got these answers, even though I showed that in my chart that. Only now I realized I needed to find which way the graph was going, in fact. What direction is it moving? Find if it's increasing or decreasing. Other students having a rough time, feeling they bombed the test. But maybe later it'll get bad. But for now I'm understand what it is I need to do for this. I'm beginning to feel like a math god. Math god. All my revolving from the disc to the washer. Washer. Little dude thinks his arms are long enough to touch the curve. The curve. Let me show you calculating this product ain't that hard. That hard. Everybody wants the key and the secret to instantaneous math like I have got. Well, to be truth of blueprints, simply increasing your math power. Everybody loves to be continuous, been climbing this math mountain, did nothing but shoot for the moon since. I'm going to school for this knowledge, because I use it as a vehicle to climb. No leave for a school of new students. Chainer coming at you with supersonic speed. Find the derivative function with exponents on the outside, but what you gotta do is more than simply just derivatise in a function. It needs to be derived so that anytime you're deriving, multiply them by each other and derive the parenthetical as you normally. Move the exponent to the front, take the function to the -1, and when integrating it's harder than differentiating till the day that I can get a 5. I'll be integrated because I know how to take it to the limit. I can do math at a max, you can only do a minimum. Oh, he's too pre-calc. Well, that's what they think when they forget about the squares roots. It's not physics, it's calc. So change from degrees back to radians. Cosine, sine, and tangent. Know these so you can math. Be a calc student? Think not. Why be a calc student when you can be a math god?